Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our series on how to dress up a sheet cake. And this time it's with fall leaves. Now, I made a fall leaf cake, I think it was about a year and a half ago now, so I'll put it up here. But that one's made out of fondant, so this time I'm going to show you how to make one out of buttercream. I really love fall leaves, so let's get started.
I started out by coloring my buttercream orange, red, and brown. Most of these are mixed piping bags with different colors. The first one is a mix of orange and brown with a star tip. Then I have different combinations of orange, red, and brown with 3 different sized petal tips and 1 large leaf tip. Next, we need a frosted sheet cake. You can frost it yourself, leave it in the pan and only frost the top, or you can buy it frosted. I start out by piping a star border along the bottom of the cake. This is just a simple squeeze and release, and this is with a closed star tip, so the edges are a bit more crinkled than they otherwise would be. Next, beginning at one edge, I decided to make a rope border along the top edge. And about halfway through, I realized I wasn't going to have enough buttercream to finish it, so I left a gap open in the front. Then I framed the border with a couple large leaves using a petal tip. Then I placed some smaller leaves semi-randomly around the cake. I wanted them to look like they just spontaneously fell onto the cake. Then I piped some small groupings of smaller leaves with a smaller petal tip. Then my favorite leaves were with the leaf tip. Go figure. Finally, I piped some red leaves with a small petal tip. I must admit, I wasn't in love with this cake at first glance, but the more I looked at it, the more it grew on me. Maybe I just love fall leaves that much. It's a bit chaotic, just like actual leaves that fall from trees. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for a new cake every week.